Hello everyone, this is my 2006 Nissan Bluebird Selfie. Somewhere around the world, I think in Russia it's called, and some European countries called Nissan Almera. So the problem I'm having with this is when it's cold in the morning, the car struggles to start up. I'm suspecting the battery is probably just about to have a dead cell or something. It's going on. It's already been more than 3 years. The charge light still shows as green, the indicator, but we'll put to the test, see what we can find. So with the ignition on, normally I should have about between 12 and 13 volts, but it's about 11.55, so it's not holding much charge enough. It's on its way out. I'll give it a start, see how it struggles. In worst case, I have to replace it. So she's definitely struggling. So 14.48, that means the charging system is alright, it's all up and running, but the battery is on its way out, so I'll probably replace it. This car is Japanese import, so the terminal was a bit bigger. The original batteries came from Japan, had bigger post, so I had to put this this layered spacer in just to get the terminal on. So hopefully it's in the right shape as before. Okay, 12.64 standing. .51. I leave it running for a while just to get it charged up, but should be an issue anymore for the next 3 years. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.